Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can quickly switch between open apps on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. So depending on if you are using the buttons navigation or swipe gestures, there are different ways how you can do this. So the first way to do it is to swipe up at the bottom here if you are using gesture navigation. So swipe up at the bottom to around here, and then from here you can swipe across to switch between open apps. Okay, so swipe up and then hold, and from here you can open up another app, or you switch to another app. Okay, so that is if you are using swipe gestures. Now you can also swipe across like this, and this will allow you to quickly switch between apps like so. And if I'm going to choose buttons navigation, for buttons navigation, then I can tap on the recent key, and from here it will open up the app switcher. In the app switcher, you can swipe across to open up a different app. And that's it. That is how you can switch between apps on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.